Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we need to expand this one. Next, I will put dy go to the left, s square go to the right, y go to the right, and now we have like this. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. So I need to concentrate on this one. So we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to f and s. Now we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have du equals to the s over s dv, that is about s squared ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to s to the power of 3 over 3. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So this one divided by this one, we have s squared. And now we have the integration s squared ds. Next, the integration of this one, that is about s to the power of 3 over 3, and I will put about c. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. Now y squared divided by y, y divided by y, 1 divided by y, and now we have like this. So the integration of y, we have y squared over number 2. The next one we have 2y, and the last one we have like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.